Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2019 Kia Forte, and we're going to go over how to remove this door panel to be able to get any access inside here, the window regulator, door actuator, and the computer electronics here for the window switch. Right? So to start with, there's a little cover here. There's a picture for it. There's a little cover. You just need to pop it up with a little screwdriver. It gives you access to one Phillips screw that you need to undo. And remove. And then next you're going to want to undo this pop here. Pop this off. And then you've got just push pins that go around or clips. And there's a little indent here where we can get started. Get up in there. Work your way around. Once you've worked your way around, there's one in here that becomes a little tough to get, but if you just pull it out, it'll come all the way out. And then pull the whole door panel up. And then there are electrics to be undone back here. Unclip them. Two electric connectors, and then we've got this whole unit that's going to come out. You just got to pull a little tab and remove the whole thing. So where that thing hooks into is right here. And there's a little tab here on the back. You pull it, and that whole connector for your door lock and your handle switch comes completely undone. So that's how you remove the door panel off of your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.